Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for experience as well as for freshers, and we will be sharing multiple links today with you because LTI Mindtree is hiring for multiple testing multiple testing positions. So if you can see, they are hiring across all the locations in India, not only in one or two locations, but they are hiring in multiple locations. So here are the links. So they are hiring for automation testing with Selenium testing, 4 to 8 years of experience, functional testing 1 to 5 years, Pune, and then if you can see automation testing again 3 to 6 years, Pune, functional UAT testing 5 to 8 years, Pan India, mobile testing 3 to 6 years, Playwright, Python, Java, C Sharp 5 to 10 years of experience again, Pune, then performance testing, functional plus automation testing 5 to 10 years in Mumbai, functional plus automation testing 5 to 10 years again in Mumbai, and with respect to payments domain, it is in Pune. And with respect to performance testing, 3 to 6 years of experience in Bangalore. So multiple job opportunities are there. As you can see, still further opportunities are there. Salesforce testing, API testing, Bangalore, Hyderabad location. This is for mid-level of experience, 4 to 8 years. Okay. Then automation skill set, again, Bangalore, and 4 to 8 years, Mumbai with Selenium. So multiple job opportunities for testing are there. And now, if you can see, let's move on to the next company. So they are hiring for QA engineers, experience 3 to 5 years, and they are looking for web testing, API testing, cross-browser responsive testing methodologies would be Agile Scrum. Soft skills are strong, analytical thinking, communication, team collaboration, and these are the responsibilities that are important. You can drop your CV at this email address. Then there's a requirement at ThoughtWork company. So they are hiring for QA engineer, manual and automation. Location is Coimbatore. Experience required is 2 to 4 years. Notice period is 0 to 15 days. So you can apply and you can send your resume to this email address. EPAM is hiring for face-to-face interviews on 26th of July. That is 2025 at Coimbatore location. And they are hiring for automated testing in Java, 3 years to 14 years. Java 8 API testing using REST assured. Notice period is 0 to 30 days. And you need to share your updated resume at this email address with the below mentioned skill set. Total experience, experience in Java, Selenium, experience in API, UI automation, design pattern, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period. So these are all the job opportunities with respect to testing, and you can apply to these particular links. I'll be putting this link in the comment section of the video itself so that it becomes easy for you to apply. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.